Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for industrial power truck and equipment. Today we're going to be going over this 2017 Hino 338 D-rate. It's D-rated down to 25,950, so it's under CDL, but it still retains that 260 horse engine in it. Before we jump into that, we want to make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from. We run them through to a 150-point check, go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates, tires, brakes, engine, transmission fluids, any discrepancies that are found. We run them through our medium shop and our body shop. After that's done, we do a QC test drive, clean up and put these trucks online for our customers to look at. On top of that 150-point check, this truck has been fully serviced and has been pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb into the cab, plenty of grab handles. This particular truck has a nice air suspension captain seat for the driver. We got a two-person bench, so you can have a crew of three. We've got the great outward visibility and upward visibility with the sloped hood of this truck. It's got the AM/FM CD radio, air conditioning, cruise control, and the large mirrors on both doors are controlled by that switch. So if your driver needs to make quick corrections on that, he can do it from the driver's seat, which is a really nice feature. This truck is a reefer truck. It's got a Carrier 960 on it. The controls are right here. It's got about 7,000 hours, so it still has plenty of life in it. Tuned up, ready to go. And even though this is a 2017 year model truck, you can see it's very clean, very well maintained, ready to get your drivers in here and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you know you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. A lot of times you start looking at pre-owned trucks, the corner caps are knocked out, beat up pretty bad. This truck is in really good shape for a 2017 year model. It's a Southern truck. It's an air brake truck with spring suspension, got really good rubber all the way around. We have got a really nice 3,000-pound tuckaway liftgate with the 80x60 platform on it, so you can get a pallet jack with a skid on this. And it's also a level ride. It comes up and levels the platform out, so it's nice and level going all the way up in like a typical tuckaway gate. Comes up to the top. We have got a 26 103 102 van body. It's got the chem light walls, the aluminum scuff on the bottom, the aluminum floor. It's got 2 rows of E-track. We can add more E-track to it if you need so. In our body shop, it goes all the way up to the front. No E-track across the front, but we can do that. It's got 2 LED dome lights, and the back door's in good shape, and the aluminum floor's in really good shape, so this truck's ready to go to work. We get to the bottom and it returns back to the ground, so you can offload your whatever you got hauling in the truck. A lot of people come into industrial power trucks looking for delivery trucks. We have the big 26-foot trucks. We've got the smaller 14, 16, 18s. We are getting more vocational flatbeds, and we are starting to get a lot of reefers in. And even though this truck is in really good shape, we can take and wrap this body and the cab if you'd like to with your name, graphics, designs, and phone number, turning that fuel money to advertise money while the truck's rolling down the road or sitting there unloading the load. Again, we've got a really nice 2017 Hino 338 D-rated down under CDL to 25,950, but still retaining that 260 horse engine. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll always be up to date on new product we're putting on. Stick with us for a second. We're going to tilt the hood on this truck, start it up, and give you a little more intimate walk around of just the truck while it's running. And as always, we do appreciate your time.